I have Xiaomi Redmi 6A and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's open the phone's dialer, and here let me show you how to check IMEI number by using a secret code. So let's input the following code, *#06#, and as you can see, the IMEI information just pops up in front of you. Tap OK to close it. Now let me show you how to check IMEI and also the serial number by using settings. So let's use the settings icon, scroll down, here let's find and select the about phone. This is the first option, of course. Then from the following menu you need to scroll down again and choose status. Here you've got access to serial number and also to Wi-Fi MAC address, IP address, and also to your IMEI information. So let me open the IMEI info, and as you can see here you've got all your IMEI numbers. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.